Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading basics, and in this video I am going to show you how can you allow your sending on Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now if your sending option is showing like disable in Coinbase, what can you do in that kind of scenario? In order to understand, just simply open the Coinbase application. And after opening the application, this kind of homepage will appear. In order to view the send option, you just simply have to go into this My Assets section. And at first, it is showing that send option is disabled. Now let's see by clicking into send button what the Coinbase will say. It says that no assets. You currently don't have any asset. Try buying some crypto to get started. So if your send button is also showing something like this, don't worry. This is saying that your send button is not disabled. It's actually unavailable at the moment because you don't have any balance or crypto to send. In order to activate the send button, just simply load balance into your Coinbase account. By noticing this very easy things, you can easily enable the send button into your Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.